I really want to have a win with this embroidery machine, so I'm attempting to make an ornament for an ornament exchange at work. I went back to making just a simple circle, and I made everything bigger than I thought I should have, and used some of my downloaded BX fonts so I wouldn't be making anything from scratch, obviously other than the circle. And wouldn't you know, it worked! And it turned out super adorable. I kind of want one for myself. I'm not sure if I'll have time to upload them to my store before the holiday season, but for sure for 2024. They'd make great teacher appreciation gifts, end of the year gifts, and of course, Christmas gifts. So I hope you enjoy it and it inspires you to make something for someone you admire. P.S. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Tomorrow's video is going to be truly magical and I'm very excited about it. It's one of the most exciting things I've made since my children's book that I released a few months ago, so you'll want to check that out. Anyways, let me walk you through how I made this adorable teacher ornament. First thing I did was apply interfacing to my fabric, so that way it makes it easier to adhere to the silhouette cameo cutting mat and easier for the rotary blade to cut out.